Data science is everywhere, but what does it really take to become a data scientist in 2025? Forget the hype. Today I'll give you a clear, actionable roadmap to break into this field. Whether you're a student, a career switcher, or just curious, this guide is for you. We'll cover the essentials, fundamentals, building a portfolio, and landing your first job. Each step builds your skills and confidence, making the journey less overwhelming. Let's dive in. Before you start coding, you need to know what data science really means. At its core, data science is about extracting insights from data to solve real-world problems. It's a blend of computer science, statistics, and domain expertise. Think Netflix recommending your next show or banks detecting fraud. Those are data science in action. Data scientists translate data into business value, not just crunch numbers. The key is understanding how data drives decisions in industries like finance, healthcare, and tech. Immerse yourself in case studies and real-world examples. Don't just memorize definitions. See how data science shapes companies. This foundational understanding will keep you motivated through the technical challenges ahead. Read, watch, and explore how data is used to create impact. That's your first step. Now let's talk about the foundation you need. First, math and statistics. Focus on linear algebra, calculus basics, and especially probability and statistics. You don't need a PhD, but you must understand distributions, hypothesis testing, and statistical significance. Next, learn Python. It's the go-to language for data science thanks to libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. Get comfortable using Python for data manipulation and analysis. Don't forget SQL. Most data lives in databases, and SQL lets you retrieve and filter it efficiently. Being self-sufficient with SQL is a huge advantage. Use free resources like Khan Academy for math, and online platforms for Python and SQL. Practice is key. Code, solve problems, and get hands-on. Build this three-part foundation before moving forward. It'll make everything else easier. Don't skip this step. With the basics down, it's time for data analysis and visualization. This is where you explore data, spot patterns, and test ideas, known as exploratory data analysis, or EDA. Use Pandas to clean, transform, and analyze your data. Mastering Pandas is essential for any data scientist. Visualization is just as important. Our brains process visuals faster than tables of numbers. Use Matplotlib and Seaborn to create charts that reveal insights, histograms, scatter plots, box plots, and heat maps. The goal isn't just pretty pictures, it's clear communication. Your charts should tell a story anyone can understand. Practice by exploring data sets on sites like Kaggle. Clean, analyze, and visualize to answer real questions. This hands-on work builds your intuition. Make EDA a habit. It's the heart of data science. Ready to predict the future? Enter machine learning. Start with the basics, supervised learning with labeled data, and unsupervised learning, finding patterns in unlabeled data. Supervised learning covers tasks like classification and regression. Think spam detection or price prediction. Unsupervised learning includes clustering, like grouping customers by behavior. Use scikit-learn to build and evaluate models. Learn to split data, train models, and measure performance with metrics like accuracy, precision, and mean-squared error. Understand concepts like bias variance, trade-off, and cross-validation. Don't just build models, interpret results and know their limitations. Practice on real data sets to cement your skills. Machine learning is the engine of data science. Start simple, then explore more advanced algorithms. Focus on understanding, not just coding. This is where you turn data into predictions. Projects are where your skills become real. Pick data sets that interest you: sports, movies, anything. Take each project through the full workflow. Ask a question, clean and explore the data, build a model, and interpret the results. Document everything: your process, challenges, and findings. Share your work on GitHub with clean code and clear readmes. Write blog posts to explain your approach and insights. A strong portfolio with a few end-to-end projects is more valuable than any certificate. Projects show employers you can solve real problems. Focus on quality, not quantity. Each project should tell a story and demonstrate your skills. Use open datasets from Kaggle or government portals. Build, share, and iterate. Your portfolio is your ticket to interviews. Make it count. To stand out, learn the basics of data engineering. Data isn't always clean or in one place. It comes from many messy sources. Understand data pipelines and ETL, extract, transform, load processes. Know how data moves from raw sources to analysis-ready formats. Get familiar with tools like Apache Spark for big data and Airflow for workflow management. You don't need to be an expert, but knowing how data is collected and processed makes you a better collaborator. This knowledge helps you work with engineering teams and understand data's limitations. Add these basics to your resume. It shows you're practical and ready for real-world challenges. It's a major plus in the job market. Now it's time to get hired. Craft a concise, tailored resume. Show, don't just tell your skills with real project results. Link to your GitHub and portfolio. Optimize your LinkedIn with a clear headline, professional photo, and posts about your projects. Engage with the data science community online. Networking leads to opportunities. Many jobs are filled through referrals, so connect and contribute. Prepare for tough interviews. Expect coding screens, theory questions, and case studies. Practice with platforms like LeetCode and review common interview questions. Be ready to discuss your projects in detail, your process, challenges, and results. Show your passion and problem-solving skills. The job search is a project in itself. Be strategic and persistent. Every application is a chance to learn. Stay positive and keep improving. Your first data science job is within reach. Once you land your first role, keep growing. Specialize in areas that excite you, like natural language processing, computer vision, or time series analysis. NLP powers chatbots and sentiment analysis. Computer vision drives self-driving cars and medical imaging. Time series is key for forecasting in finance and retail. Explore generative AI, models that create text, images, and more. Pick one area and dive deep. Continuous learning keeps your career future-proof. The field evolves fast. Stay curious and adaptable. Specialization sets you apart and opens new doors. Your growth never stops. That's your roadmap to becoming a data scientist in 2025. Build your foundation, practice relentlessly, and showcase your work. Stay consistent. Small daily efforts add up. Curiosity and problem-solving will always be in demand. The future is built on data, and you can help shape it. Start your journey today.